Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is based on your request. We're diving into a fresh new CC technique that'll take your edit to the next level. Also, I've launched a Telegram channel. I'll be sharing tons of useful stuff there. XML files, overlays, and more. You'll find the link in the description, so be sure to check it out. Here's the clip without CC, and here's the one with CC. It completely transforms the vibe, makes everything look more alive and stunning. First of all, open Alight Motion and add your video. Tap on Add Effect and choose Sharpen. Set strength to 0.27. Then add the saturation vibrance effect and set it to plus 83.5%. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss anything and can recreate the same double C perfectly. Now, add the gradient overlay effect and just follow along with each step I take. We're at an important part now, so make sure you do everything just like I'm showing. No worries, I'll share the XML file of the project on the Telegram channel later. Let me know what tutorial you want next. Drop your ideas in the comments. Tap the plus icon, pick a shape, and then add the copy background effect to the new layer. Finally, add the channel remap effect and follow my steps.